6 May 2026 Bangalore, in a major milestone for community healthcare, Narayana Health in partnership with Volvo Group successfully completed the 100th Wellness on Wheels medical camp, marking a transformative journey in preventive healthcare outreach across underserved communities in Karnataka and beyond. The landmark achievement represents more than 10,000 free health screenings conducted through the initiative, bringing advanced diagnostic facilities and early detection services directly to people who often struggle to access quality healthcare in remote and economically weaker regions. Held at Agra Panchayat, the milestone event witnessed the presence of globally respected spiritual leader Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, founder of Art of Living, as the chief guest alongside Mr. Kamal Bali, President and Managing Director, Volvo Group India, Dr. Raghunandan, Deputy Director, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Karnataka, and senior leaders from Narayana Health and Volvo Group. The Wellness on Wheels initiative has emerged as a powerful example of how mobility technology and healthcare expertise can come together to bridge critical healthcare gaps by ensuring that preventive screening reaches communities at the right time before illnesses become severe and life-threatening. Founder and Chairman of Narayana Health, Dr. Devi Prasad Shetty, highlighted the importance of early diagnosis and timely intervention, saying that one of the biggest challenges in healthcare is that many patients arrive too late for treatment, and that early detection can significantly improve outcomes while reducing financial and emotional burden on families and the healthcare system. He further stated that Wellness on Wheels is focused on taking reliable healthcare services closer to communities, making preventive care more accessible and helping people identify health concerns before they develop into serious complications. Over the years, the initiative has steadily expanded its reach and impact, earning trust among communities while creating awareness about preventive healthcare and encouraging people to seek medical consultation at the earliest stages of illness. Speaking during the milestone celebration, Mr. Kamal Bali, President and Managing Director, Volvo Group India, emphasized that access to quality healthcare is vital for building stronger and future-ready communities. He noted that Wellness on Wheels demonstrates how advanced medical technologies can be taken beyond urban centers to create meaningful impact at the grassroots level, and added that crossing the milestone of over 10,000 screenings reflects a strong and sustained commitment toward early intervention and community well-being. Addressing the gathering, Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar spoke passionately about the importance of preventive healthcare and community participation in maintaining wellness. He said that divinity exists in every life and every home, and stressed that everyone deserves good health, while encouraging villagers and families to fully utilize the Wellness on Wheels services and undergo screenings at the earliest stages of illness. He also appreciated the remarkable medical infrastructure packed into a single mobile unit, saying that services for which people usually spend huge amounts of money and wait in long queues are now being brought directly to the people in their own communities. Launched to address critical healthcare accessibility challenges, Wellness on Wheels is a 42-foot custom-built mobile medical unit equipped with advanced screening technologies for early detection of cancer and cardiac conditions. Mounted on a Volvo Prime Mover, the fully Wi-Fi-enabled unit includes integrated telemedicine capabilities, allowing doctors and medical teams on the ground to connect in real time with specialists at Narayana Health Base Hospital in Bangalore. The state-of-the-art mobile healthcare facility offers services including ECG, echo, mammogram, colposcopy, X-ray, blood tests, and direct doctor consultations, providing comprehensive on-site diagnostics for patients. The initiative is also backed by globally recognized healthcare quality accreditations, including NAB, JCI, NABLE, and CAP, ensuring that the diagnostic reports generated through these camps meet international standards of quality, precision, and patient care. Narayana Health and Volvo Group have reaffirmed their commitment to continuing this mission and expanding access to high-quality preventive healthcare, ensuring that early intervention and timely diagnosis become accessible to more people in the years ahead.
ಇವತ್ತು ವೆಲ್ವೋ ಕಾರ್ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹೃದಯಾಲಯದವರು ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇರಿ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಚೆಕ್ಅಪ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾವು ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆರಿ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಜನರೆಲ್ಲ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಆ ಮೆಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವೋಲ್ವೋ ವ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಜನರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದು 100th ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್. ಇವರಿಗೆ 100 ಸಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 10,000 ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಜನರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ದೇಶದ ನೇಷನ್ ವೈಡ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ. Thank you. From Volvo Group India. Happy to be here this morning on the 100th camp of Wellness of Wheels. It's a unique partnership between the Volvo Group and Narayan Hridayalaya, which is basically catering to primary health checks, basically for cancer and heart. And we have covered about 10,000 plus people so far, being the 100th camp. So we're very happy and proud that we can extend this kind of a possibility to so many people who normally would not get this done, and saving so many lives through prevention, through so many other things. So I think that's something very good. So this was basically what this shows is not only technology, which is we have the best of equipment here, covered 11 talukas, 11 districts within Karnataka. But I think what it shows is the power of partnership between two organizations, two institutions like Volvo and Narayana. So Volvo brings in mobility, Volvo brings in technology, innovation, while Narayana Hridayalaya brings in healthcare, the latest in healthcare. And so I think this is something unique. We are very, very proud, very happy that we are able to do this. And end of the day, if we can make a difference to the society and to the world, it's an initiative well done. Thank you so much.
Do you have any plan to expand this mobility with Narayana?
Yes, we are going to continue doing this at least for the next few years. We believe, and maybe we might even, if we look at, improve this further as we learn more and more. The idea is that, I mean, end of the day, if India has to really do well, India has to become a superpower. It is the people capital which has to be good, and people capital has to be healthy. And this is a huge challenge which we are facing in the world today, and therefore this is a great, unique opportunity for all of us. Thank you.